So Orcam Bio is a highly specialized protein engineering company leveraging a technology that was originally developed at the Center for Genomic Regulation here in Barcelona. And we're addressing a problem that so far hasn't been able to be overcome, which is associated with cytokine therapies. They are very difficult to adjust to become therapeutics. And the way we are addressing this problem is, instead of optimizing a single cytokine, one cytokine molecule, we're combining two cytokines in one new molecule. And through the synergistic effect of these two combined cytokines, we can overcome the limitations of natural cytokines. Therewith, we create completely new biology that doesn't exist in nature, and suddenly we can address problems, therapeutic topics that previously were not addressable. Based on the technology that I just described to you, which we call foldekines, this combination of two cytokines in one molecule, we are advancing a program from research into preclinical development now, which addresses a special type of inflammation called Th1 inflammation, which is the underlying driver for severe inflammatory diseases such as inflammatory bowel diseases, ulcerative colitis, or Crohn's disease. The challenge or the problem we are addressing with this particular molecule in this indication is that patients, or a significant proportion of the patient population, does no longer therapeutically react to standard of care and have no therapeutic options left. And for these particular patients, we are developing this product, so in the future they don't have to go to surgery but can be treated without any problems going forward. So what we learned is that discovering and developing a technical concept to a product is one thing, but taking that product into development and moving it towards human clinical trials, the translational aspect is a big hurdle, not only in terms of the internal capabilities at Orcam, but also the challenges that come with the complexity of these development programs. So moving from discovery into research was a good experience, but now moving from research into development, we really are learning a lot of new topics and new things. We need to add new capabilities, either through new personnel that we hire or through people from the outside world, service providers who help us. And that transition feels like an even bigger step compared to the previous step we've taken from discovery to research and now from research to development. So we just recently moved here 2 or 3 months ago. The most important aspect for us was that we find the perfect infrastructure here to conduct our discovery and research work. Because without the infrastructure, we cannot operate. And the PCB really provides premier establishment, equipment, and also personnel to help us with the work that we do. Above and beyond that, we really enjoy the scientific exchange with other companies, the experience that we can share with peer companies, CEOs, CSOs, CDOs, technical personnel, research personnel. So the cross-fertilization in terms of information transfer is really, really easy here. So it's the infrastructure plus the know-how exchange that really help us grow as a company.